Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome to online classes, the educators. I'm your English teacher Rafia Adnan. Today our topic is grammar skills, unit 19, and we are going to solve conditional sentences exercise A, B, C, and D. Rule number 1 says a conditional sentence usually contains a clause beginning with if or unless. For example, if everyone helps, the job will soon be finished. Do not help this number unless there is an emergency. Rule 2 says the two examples above are first conditional sentences. The verb in the if or unless clause is in the present tense. The verb in the other clause, the main clause, is in the future tense or in the imperative. An if clause can come before or after the main clause, but an unless clause usually comes second. Rule 3 says first conditional sentences express a real possibility. They talk about something that is likely to happen. And rule 4 says sometimes can is used in either clause of a first conditional sentences. For example, he cannot fix the clock if he does not have the right tools. Do not go in the water unless you can swim. So keeping in mind these four rules, you are going to solve your exercise A and B. Okay, students, let's solve our exercise A and B following these simple four rules. Okay, students, on your page number 106, you have your exercise A. It says fill in the blanks with the correct form of the given verbs in the right order. So in this exercise, you are only going to correct the order of the given answers. Answers have been already given to you. In this slide, I have written all the answers. Write these answers accordingly on your book. Let's move our exercise B on page number 107. It says match the clauses in box A with those in box B to correct 10 first conditional sentences. So you need to match them first of all, and then you need to write them accordingly in your blanks as I have given you all the answers. So first sentence says if you have flu, keep your germs to yourself. Second, you will be late for school if you don't leave soon. Third, do not make a statement unless you are sure it is true. Fourth, you will not get full marks unless all your answers are correct. Fifth, if the torch stops working, change the battery. Sixth, you can come with us if you want to. Seventh, if you find the stolen necklace, take it to the police station. Eighth, I will not be able to read my emails if I cannot access the internet. Ninth, you cannot become a doctor unless you are good at science. You are good at science. Tenth, help yourself to a drink if you are thirsty. 108, we have a grammar help. In this table, rule 1 says a second conditional sentence usually contains an if clause. Clause beginning with unless are uncommon in second conditional sentences. So keep in mind, second type of conditional sentences only start with if. The unless starting is very uncommon. The modal verb would used in the main clause. The verb in the if clause in the simple past tense. For example, if everyone helped, the job would soon be finished. So you need to keep in mind in the first rule that only second conditional sentences with if, and they have a past verb in your sentence. And most of the second type of sentences are hypothetical. Hypothetical means fuzzy. Okay, ji, these four rules you need to read by yourself now. Just keep in mind that second conditional sentences, most of these sentences start with if and have a past verb with them. And they are hypothetical, they are not based on possibility. So your exercise C is solved on in the base of these sentences. Write the answers accordingly. After this, you have exercise D. It says fill in the blanks with will or would. Answers are here. Write them accordingly. We have a homework here. Learn and write exercise A, B, C, and D on your grammar skills. Okay, students. Good luck. Allah Hafiz.